Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do a video that was actually requested quite some time ago, and I'm just now getting around to filming it. I am so sorry. It took me a while to find the piece and get it to me and clean it up a little bit. So today we're going to be reviewing the Louis Vuitton Speedy 35 as a mommy slash diaper bag. And here she is. Look at this big beauty. Isn't it gorgeous? It is just, seriously, it makes for a great, stylish, sophisticated, trendy mommy bag slash diaper bag. It is a great size for a mommy bag, diaper bag. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so this is my Speedy. Once I am done with this video, I will let you know that it is going to be up for sale on the Louis Vuitton Addicts group in Facebook. I will leave that link down below. It'll also be available on my personal page, and I will also leave that down below. So let's get into how I packed this girl up. So this is what it looks like inside. I'll show you an overview also. Let me just start off by saying that I have this packed up with jujube pieces so that it makes organization a little bit better. I will also show you in just a few minutes how it looks with an organizer. I have a cheap organizer that I purchased from Amazon. I'll leave that link down below. It's just a basic cheap organizer. It's nothing fancy. However, if you don't want to pack up with packing cubes or anything like that, then the organizer is the way to go. I just didn't use it for this purpose, for this video's purpose, because it's too, in my opinion, it doesn't give you the organization that I personally want. So I use pieces from jujube. So this is a Be Quick and Animalini, and look at how cute this looks with it. It is seriously, they're seriously so cute with it. And in here I just have 4 size 4 diapers and a pack of wipes. And as you can see, that's a pretty good size, and it fits in there beautifully. And then I also have a jujube, gosh, Uniki I think is the name of this print, and this is a large set piece. And in here I just have a onesie, some little pants, socks, and a little bandana because my little guy is teething like crazy, and so I try and keep those bandanas or bibs or something on him so that he doesn't soak through his shirts. I change the bibs and the bandanas a couple times a day. It's insane. And then I also have his formula dispenser. This is a great dispenser. This one is the Munchkin, and it has 3 separations inside. So I just put 6 ounces worth because he usually drinks 6 to 8 ounces. So I put 6, and then if he needs another 6, then I can fill it up or whatever. And then for the baby, I also have his Swell bottle. This is the traveler size 12 ounce in, I think it's called Moonbeam. It's like a rough texture, so I like that. This is really great. I just heat up like 12 ounces of water for like a minute in the microwave or on the stove or whatever. Stick it in this and it'll stay warm for a very long time. Sometimes it's even too hot, but I usually have my own water bottle, so I just top it off with a little bit of cold water, so it's perfect. Even in the winter, it stays nice and warm. And then I have his bottle. This is the Komotomo. I like this bottle for packing reasons because you could, if you needed to, make it a lot smaller. You just kind of compress it all and then put the lid on it and it'll stay compressed, so it's even smaller. This is an 8 ounce bottle, so it's perfect for our little guy because he's only drinking about 6 to 8 ounces at a time. And then I have a little container of his snackies, a little car for him to play with. This is so cute. He got this for Christmas. It's really cute. It's a little ATV. He loves it, loves it. Has a little Zoli teething thing, a little book. So he's got some toys in there. And then for my needs, I've got my wallet. This is the Monogram origami wallet. It's great because there's so much storage in it. It opens there, it zips here. It's got more card storage there. It's an amazing wallet. It is discontinued. You cannot find it on the Louis Vuitton website. You can, however, find it used in some places. Usually on the Louis Vuitton Addicts group, you can find some good deals on them. There's other websites also. And then I have my little set piece here. And in here I just have gum, lipstick, hair ties, a little mirror, things like that. And then in the only pocket that comes in a Speedy, this is the only pocket that a Speedy has, I have a bottle of hand sanitizer. My little guy has had a cold and the flu bug is insane this year, you guys. So keep your hands washed, sanitized, please. Try and keep babies' hands out of their mouths. My little guy has had so many different bugs this year. It's nuts. I'm not liking it. So that is all that I had in here for my sons and my needs. That's just for a quick, you know, trip around town or something. This here is a vintage piece. This is, let me tell you, this is, where is it? Oh, an 1984, you guys. That's how old this bag is. And just look at the monogram print on it. Isn't it just gorgeous? It's still so vibrant and just so stylish still, and it's in such good shape. They seriously do not make bags like this anymore. No, you cannot find the canvas like this, the leather like this. The handles are still in amazing shape. Still so nice. All of the zipper is still intact. Everything. It's just so pretty. So this bag retails right now on Louis Vuitton for $9.90. Once you add tax and all of that, you know, you're looking at over $1,000 for this bag. This bag you can find a lot of places used. You can find it, like I said, on the Louis Vuitton Addicts Facebook group. You can find it on my page. As soon as I'm done with this video, I will be listing this. So keep your eyes out. Let me show you guys what it looks like on the body. The thing that I like about this bag is it's so versatile. You can take any outfit. You can take it from super casual to super dressy with just this bag. That's all you really need. I don't know, you guys. For me, this is like one of my favorite bags ever. So cute, right? And I love the slouch. A lot of people don't like the slouch. This is packed up, obviously, but I love the slouch of it. I don't like the more form-fitting. If you do, you can get an organizer, like I said, or they make shapers so that it stays nice and flat on the bottom so that there's no slouch. But for me, I need the slouch. Okay, guys, and here is my organizer from Amazon.com. This is a great organizer. I use it in my Neverfull more so than any other bag. My Neverfull or a Jujube Super Bee is great. It's nice because it has two big pockets here on both ends. And then it has the little organizers in the middle. Now these are great because you can fit a large set piece as well as your quick on both ends. And then you can organize your smaller pieces in the middle pockets. So it looks something like this when packed up. And like I said, this will not fit in this Speedy 35 like this packed up, unfortunately. So let me unpack it real quick and I'll show you guys how it fits inside of the Speedy 35. So I just take the Speedy and let me just set it down for just a second. Put this in there. I kind of fold it up a little bit and then put it in. And if you were going to just organize your bag with just an organizer, that's totally doable. So if you just have some little things like this, you know, or whatever, you can totally do that with no issue. But like I said, I like to put bags inside of bags, right? That's what my husband always says. He's like, why do you need all these bags for your bags? But anyway, that's just me. That's how I like to organize. So it would look, let's see. It would look something like this. And like I said, totally doable. Now, the great thing about this organizer, the thing that I love about it is it's got like a waterproof material on it, so it's not like felt where if you spilled your water or the baby's bottle or juice or whatever, it's going to leak through the felt and into your bag. We don't want that. You want something that is waterproof kind of material so that if something does spill in this organizer, it's going to protect the interior of your bag. You do not want your bag having ink stains and water stains, juice stains, all of those things. That's not pretty. That's not good for resale, for, you know, the smell. Don't want to have spilled milk in your bag. That's going to make for a smelly bag later on, and it's not going to be pretty. So make sure that whatever organizer you are using, if you plan on carrying bottles, juice, milk, your own water, whatever, that you're using an insert that has some kind of waterproof agency so that it doesn't spill in your bag if spilled, because spills do happen. Trust me. You think and you are so careful that they won't happen, but they do. All right, you guys, I really hope that this video was helpful, entertaining for you. I hope that you're able to find yourself a Speedy 35 for your own collection, because it is a great bag. It's a great bag for a mommy bag, your own bag, diaper bag, whatever. They are seriously amazing. It's a perfect size if you have to carry a lot of things. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you lovelies later. Goodbye.